Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Finding hidden studs saves time, prevents damage, and ensures secure mounting for shelves, TVs, and heavy fixtures in home projects. Best Stud Finder with Deep Scan delivers detection through walls, reducing guesswork and improving confidence during drilling and installation tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Franklin M150 Stud Finder. The Franklin M150 Stud Finder stands out as a highly reliable and user-friendly tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. What immediately sets it apart is its advanced sensor technology. With 9 sensors built into the device, it offers significantly improved accuracy compared to traditional stud finders that rely on just 1 or 2 sensors. This results in a more precise detection of studs, reducing guesswork and saving time during projects. The tool is incredibly easy to use, featuring a single-mode operation that automatically adjusts to different wall depths, materials, and textures. There is no need for calibration, which makes it convenient even for beginners. Simply press and hold the button to start scanning anywhere on the wall. Another strong feature is its ability to display the full width of studs using LED lights. This means users can clearly see not just the center, but also the edges of the stud, which is particularly useful when working with double studs or irregular framing.
Number 2. Franklin Plaster Stud Finder. The Franklin Plaster Stud Finder, also known as the Pro Sensor Max, is designed for more demanding applications where standard stud finders may fall short. Its standout feature is the inclusion of 13 sensors, making it one of the most accurate tools available for detecting studs through thick or complex wall structures. This increased sensor count allows for precise detection even in challenging materials such as plaster, multiple drywall layers, plywood, and tile. With a maximum detection depth of 2.5 inches, it is particularly suitable for older homes or buildings with dense wall compositions. Ease of use remains a priority with this model. Like other Franklin devices, it requires no calibration and allows scanning to begin anywhere on the wall. The dual detection modes add versatility, enabling users to switch between standard scanning and deeper, more complex material detection. The wide LED display is another highlight, clearly showing both the center and edges of studs simultaneously, which improves accuracy when mounting heavy objects or working on structural tasks.
Number 3. Zircon A250 Stud Finder. The Zircon A250 Stud Finder is a versatile all-in-one scanning tool that combines multiple detection functions into a compact and practical design. It offers 3 main capabilities: detecting wood and metal studs, locating hidden metal objects such as pipes, and identifying live AC wires. This makes it particularly useful for a wide range of tasks, from simple home improvements to more advanced renovation projects. Its multifunctionality eliminates the need for separate tools, saving both time and effort. One of the key strengths of this device is its ability to accurately locate both the center and edges of studs up to 3/4 of an inch deep. This precision helps ensure secure mounting and minimizes the risk of damaging walls. The built-in wire warning technology enhances safety by detecting live electrical wires up to 2 inches deep, providing alerts before potential hazards are encountered. Additionally, the dedicated metal scanning mode allows users to identify both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, making it especially useful for plumbing and electrical work.
Number 4. Klein ESF150LL Stud Finder. The Klein ESF150LL Stud Finder offers a unique combination of stud detection and laser alignment features, making it a multifunctional tool ideal for precision work. It is capable of detecting both wood and metal studs up to 1.5 inches deep, which is suitable for most residential applications. The inclusion of Auto Deep Scan enhances its ability to adjust to different wall thicknesses, improving overall accuracy without requiring manual settings. One of the most notable features of this model is its integrated cross-line laser system. The horizontal and vertical lasers can be used independently or together, allowing users to create accurate alignment lines for mounting shelves, frames, or other fixtures. This significantly reduces the need for additional tools and improves efficiency on the job. The bright LED indicators and audible alerts provide clear feedback on stud location, while the adjustable sound feature adds convenience in different working environments.
The ergonomic design, combined with a hold mode function, allows continuous scanning without the need to keep pressing the trigger, reducing hand fatigue.
Number 5. NOYAFA Joist Stud Finder. The NOYAFA Joist Stud Finder is a feature-rich and highly versatile tool designed to handle a wide range of detection tasks with precision. Its 6-in-1 functionality allows it to detect wood studs, metal objects, AC wires, joists, and pipes, making it suitable for both home improvement and professional construction projects. This multi-function capability ensures users can rely on a single device for various scanning needs, increasing efficiency and convenience. Equipped with multiple detection modes, the tool offers flexibility based on the task at hand. It can detect wood studs up to approximately 1.18 inches deep, while its metal detection capabilities extend significantly deeper for both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. The AC wire detection feature adds an essential layer of safety by identifying live wires behind walls, helping prevent accidents during drilling or cutting. The device features a clear LCD display that provides real-time scanning information, making it easy to interpret results even in low light conditions. Audible alerts further enhance usability by signaling when objects are detected. Choosing the right tool makes every wall project smoother and more accurate. A reliable stud finder with deep scan helps you work with confidence, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve clean results. Invest wisely, follow proper technique, and your installations will stay secure, solid, and built to last over time.